What are we going to do on our simulation is about the child being rejected by their peers. Children who are rejected by their peers tend to be less sociable than average children and are more disruptive and aggressive. Also, rejected children tend to experience higher levels of anxiety, loneliness, and depression. Mamo, is everything alright?
I don't have anyone to play with.
I'm sorry to hear that. Sometimes it can be tough finding someone to play with. How about we try something together? Would you like me to help you find someone to play with?
Okay, teacher.
Hey everyone! Devil and I were thinking of playing a game. Would anyone like to join us?
Me, and I play.
See, Devil, you've got some friends to play with now. I was playing with your friends.
It was fun and they're nice teacher.
It's so great to hear that. Remember, if you ever feel lonely or need someone to talk to, I'm here for you, okay?
Okay, teacher. Thank you.
You're welcome, Devil.
As what you can see in our simulation, the teacher notices that the child is being isolated and approaches her with concern, creating a safe space for her to express herself. The teacher suggests that an activity involves the child in finding peers to join them, fostering inclusivity. After the activity, the teacher checked the child to ensure she had a positive experience. Interventions like these aim to help the child or the children to feel supported, included, and valued in their peer group, ultimately promoting a positive social environment in the classroom.